How to fix all out sound problem easy and quick. Hello everybody, I will show you how to solve and fix this problem. Let's start. Directly open the settings of your device, click at apps option and search for all out game and click. You're gonna find this list, scroll it down right now, click storage and click clear cache. Here just back, click add for stop and click OK. You should move to Play Store or App Store and update all out. Restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in another video.